Squarespace Tutorial, Building an E-Commerce Store. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to create a stunning online store using Squarespace's powerful website builder. We'll walk you through setting up your online store, adding products, and customizing the product page to create a visually appealing and seamless shopping experience. So let's get started. First, if you are new to the platform, you will need to sign up. You will find the link down below in the description. So go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you'll find a Get Started button at the top right corner. Click on this button to proceed. Clicking on the Get Started button will take you to the Squarespace template library. In the template library, you'll find various categories of templates available, such as an online store, portfolio, memberships, blog, scheduling, and one page, among others. Since you're looking to build an online store, tick the box next to the online store category to filter the templates accordingly. After selecting the online store category, you'll see all the available templates for online stores. Scroll down and locate the template that you would like and want to customize for your own online store. For this tutorial, we will click on the Alameda template. Hover over the template and you'll notice two options appearing over it. Start with Alameda and Preview Alameda. Click on the first option, Start with Alameda, to proceed with customizing this template for your store. This will take you to another page where you'll need to create your account before you can start customizing the template. Squarespace offers different options to create a new account. You can choose to continue with Google, Apple, Facebook, or your email. Select the option you prefer to create a new account with. Once you've successfully signed up for a new account, it may take a moment, and then you'll be redirected to the Squarespace website builder. When you're on the Squarespace website builder, the first step in customizing your template for the online store is to enter basic information about your store. On-screen prompts will guide you through this process. For example, you'll be prompted to enter your online store name under the site title. Once you've entered the site title, click on Continue to proceed. On the Squarespace website builder page, you'll notice a left panel that contains several important tabs. These tabs serve as navigation options to help you customize your online store based on your preferences. The tabs available include Pages, Design, Commerce, Marketing, Scheduling, Asset Library, Analytics, Profiles, Settings, and Help. These tabs provide different functionalities and options to tailor your online store. In this video, we will focus on the important tabs such as Pages, Design, Commerce, and Marketing. These tabs will allow us to make the necessary adjustments and modifications to our chosen template, aligning it with the vision we have for our online store. To customize our chosen template for the online store, we can utilize the Pages tab in the Squarespace's website builder. This tab provides us with the necessary tools to edit and personalize the pages of our online store. When it comes to editing pages, the first step is to click on the Edit option. This enables us to add, edit, or remove text and images, as well as customize various sections within a page. With the Edit option, we have the flexibility to make adjustments according to our preferences and design requirements. When using the Squarespace website builder, the default page of your online store is the home page. To edit the home page, simply click on the Edit option located at the top left corner of your online store homepage. The homepage is comprised of various sections, including the site header, product section, and footer. To customize the site header, which includes options such as your store name, logo, and navigation pages like Shop, About, Contact, and Cart, you can hover over the site header. This action will prompt the appearance of the Edit Site Header option. Click on it and a pop-up window will appear on the right side of the screen. Within this window, select Site Title and Logo. Here you will find options to change your store name and add a logo. To modify your store name, simply enter the desired name under the site title. To add a logo, click on Add Logo and choose to upload an image from your computer or select one from the Squarespace library. The pop-up window also offers an Elements section. Clicking on it allows you to enable buttons, social links, language switch, and the cart. Additionally, you have the ability to change the cart icon and adjust its size. Furthermore, you can enhance the appearance of cart icons by adding different types of borders, providing further customization options for your site header. The footer is the bottom section of your site, below your page content. This is often where visitors look first for contact information, social icons, and links to important information. To customize the footer, hover over it and click Edit Footer. To modify the text, simply click on the existing text and replace it with your own personalized content. The Made with Squarespace text is part of a text block in your site's footer. To remove it, click into the text block and delete the Made with Squarespace text. Once you have made the necessary changes to your store's homepage, it is important to save your edits. To do this, locate and click on the Save button located at the top left corner of your screen. This ensures that your modifications are preserved and applied to the live version of your homepage. By utilizing the editing options provided by Squarespace, you can easily customize the content and appearance of every section on your homepage. This empowers you to create a unique and tailored online store that effectively represents your brand and captivates your audience. To edit pages other than the homepage of your store, you can easily navigate to the Pages tab located in the left panel of the Squarespace website builder. Clicking on the Pages section will present you with the list of all the pages included in your store. To edit a specific page, simply locate and click on its name from the list. It may take a moment for the page to load, depending on its content and complexity. Once the page has finished loading, you will find the Edit option at the top left corner of the loaded page. By clicking on the Edit button, you gain access to customize the content within that particular page. This includes the ability to modify the text, add images, insert media elements, adjust the layout, and implement various design changes. Squarespace provides a user-friendly interface and intuitive editing tools to streamline the process of making edits to your page content. To expand the structure and content of your online store, you have the option to create new pages in the Squarespace Pages panel. By adding and removing pages, you can shape the layout and organization of your website, providing a seamless navigation experience for your users. To create new pages, begin by clicking on the Pages tab located in the left panel of the Squarespace website builder. This action will direct you to the Pages section, where you can manage and customize the pages within your store. Within the Pages section, you will find a plus icon, which serves as the tool to add new pages. By clicking on this icon, a menu will appear presenting you with various page creation options. These options include creating blank pages, selecting from predefined page layouts, integrating scheduling features, and incorporating collections, such as blogs, stores, portfolios, and more. Choose the appropriate page type that aligns with your desired content and functionality. For instance, if you want to add a blog to your online store, select the Blog Collection option. This will generate a new page specifically designed for blog content. As you create and add new pages, you can further organize them to create a cohesive navigation menu. Arrange the pages in a logical order that allows your users to explore your site easily and find the information they seek. Consider grouping related pages together, or establishing a hierarchical structure to enhance the user experience. To give your online store a unique and personalized appearance, you can utilize the Design tab in the Squarespace website builder. This tab allows you to style your site according to your preferences, controlling its overall look and feel. To access the Style Site feature, start by clicking on the Design tab located in the left panel of the Squarespace interface. This action will redirect you to the Design Settings area. Within the Design tab, locate and click on the Site Styles option. Clicking on it will open the Site Styles menu on the right-hand side of the screen. In the Site Styles menu, you have the ability to manage and customize various elements of your online store's design. These elements include fonts, colors, animations, spacing, buttons, and image blocks. Each option allows you to tailor specific aspects of your site's visual presentation. By clicking on the Fonts option, you can modify the text size and style used throughout your store. This allows you to choose fonts that align with your brand identity and enhance readability. The Colors option enables you to customize the themes and color schemes utilized within your store. You can select specific colors that resonate with your brand, creating a consistent and visually appealing experience for your visitors. Through the Animation option, you can apply animated effects to elements on your pages. This can add visual interest and engagement as elements appear or transition on the screen. The Spacing option provides the ability to adjust the page width and site margins, allowing you to control the layout and spacing of your content. Customizing buttons used in your store is made possible through the Button option. You can modify their appearance, ensuring they align with your brand aesthetics and improve user experience. Finally, the Image Blocks option allows you to customize and style the images used within your store. You can apply adjustments to their size, borders, and other visual properties. Once you have made the necessary changes to your store, it is important to save your edits. To do this, locate and click on the Save button located at the top left corner of your screen. This ensures that your modifications are preserved and applied to the live version of your home page. The Commerce tab in Squarespace Website Builder is where you can set up your online store and manage various aspects of your e-commerce operations. This tab provides you with the necessary tools and features to effectively run your business. Within the Commerce tab, you can perform tasks such as adding products, configuring payment options, setting up subscriptions, and managing inventory. This section allows you to create a seamless shopping experience for your customers, ensuring that your store is fully equipped to handle transactions and deliver products or services. Adding products to your online store is an essential step in setting up your e-commerce business. Once you have created your store, you can proceed to add products by following a few simple steps. To begin, navigate to the Commerce tab in Squarespace Website Builder and click on the Products option. Upon clicking on Products, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to specify the type of product you want to sell. You will find various options available, including physical products, digital downloads, memberships, services, gift cards, and videos on demand. Choose the appropriate option based on the nature of your product. For physical products, which require shipping to your customers, you can list items such as jewelry, electronics, or any tangible goods. It is important to include shipping options for these products, as customers will need to provide their shipping address during the purchase process. If you offer digital products such as social media templates, ebooks, or videos, you can provide a download link to buyers via email. This link can direct them to a specific page on your website or provide them with a downloadable package. For service-based offerings, where customers receive a service rather than a physical or digital product, examples include one-on-one consultations or specialized services. Ensure that you clearly communicate the details and benefits of your service to potential buyers. Gift cards are another option you can offer in your store. These virtual gift cards are delivered electronically and can be applied to future purchases. They provide customers with the flexibility to choose and redeem products or services from your store. Now, customizing the products in your online store is an important step to ensure they are presented in the most appealing and informative way to your customers. After adding products to your store, you can easily customize them by following a few steps. Begin by accessing the Commerce tab in Squarespace Website Builder and clicking on Inventory. Upon clicking on Inventory, you will be directed to the Inventory page where you can view all the products you have added to your store. The products are categorized into different sections such as physical, services, digital, and gift cards, making it easier for you to manage and customize them. On the inventory page, you will see a display of all your products, including their names, visibility status, stock availability, and prices. If you need to find a specific product, you can utilize the search bar to quickly locate it based on its name, tags, or categories. If you wish to import products from other platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Big Cartel, or perform bulk additions and edits using a Squarespace CSV file, you can click on the Import option located at the upper part of the screen. To customize the details of a specific product, simply click on the product image you want to edit or just hover over the product and click on the three dots option, then select Edit. This will take you to the Product Details page where you can make changes such as modifying the product name and description to accurately represent your offering. In addition, you have the option to add images to showcase your product effectively. Within the Product Details page, you can upload multiple images that are optimized for web display. Don't forget to set a thumbnail image that will represent the product in your store's catalog. When it comes to managing your store's inventory, you can input the price of the product and decide whether to put it on sale or keep it at the regular price by using the toggle bar. You can also specify the quantity of the product you currently have in stock and assign a unique inventory number, although Squarespace automatically generates one for each product. Once you have customized the product to your satisfaction, click on the Save button located at the top right corner of the screen to ensure that the changes you made are saved and reflected in your store's product listing. To complete the setup of your online store, it's essential to add payment methods that will allow you to receive payments from your customers. By enabling a secure and convenient payment process, you can ensure a seamless checkout experience for your shoppers. To begin, access the Commerce tab in Squarespace Website Builder and select Payments. This will take you to the Payment Settings page where you can configure your preferred payment processors. The available options typically include popular payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, and Square. Follow the provided instructions to connect the payment methods of your choice. These instructions will guide you through the necessary steps to link your store to your selected payment processor. In addition to connecting payment processors, you also have the option to set your store currency. This is important for displaying prices and processing transactions in the appropriate currency for your target market. To change your store currency, scroll down to the bottom of the Payment Settings page and click on Store Currency. From there, you can select the desired currency that you want to set up for your online store. Squarespace gives you better tools to build a small, medium-sized online store. These include inventory management, product display, marketing tools, and more. That said, there's no free plan. But there is a 14-day free trial, and the features included still make Squarespace better value overall. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Squarespace for building an e-commerce store and customizing the product page. You can sign up using the first link in the description. I appreciate that, thank you. There are more things to learn about Squarespace, so if you're interested in an advanced tutorial, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make. Again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching and take care.